Is your Android phone feeling slower than usual or draining battery too quickly? Some apps may be quickly running in the background. In this video, I'll show you how to stop them and improve your phone performance. Let's get started. First thing first, open the settings page on your phone. Once you are in settings, scroll down to the very bottom, look for the developer option. If you found them, tap to open it. However, if you don't find it, don't panic. To activate it, to do that, open the About Phone section, scroll down, tap on Software Information. After that, look for the build number option, tap on 7 or multiple times, then verify to enter your phone screen password and automatically turn on developer mode. Once this option is turned on, return to the main settings page, scroll down to the bottom, tap on developer option. After that, scroll down again, find the running services option, click on them. Here you can see all of the background running apps listed there. Scroll down to the page, find the app if you want to stop them. For example, I am stop messages. So tap on the messages app, then tap on the stop button, confirm it and automatically stop it. Another thing, return to the previous screen, scroll down again. After scroll down to the developer option page, here you can find the app section. Look for the background process limit, click on them. After this menu, you can see various options. You can select the no background process option and you are successfully done. That's it. Now your Android should have your app running in the background. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.